Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, the Studio Rays Boys and Toys. Check it out, guys. I got another toy for us guys. All right, if you've been following me way back, I did an unboxing of this Honda generator I picked up. Highly recommend. All right, if you're interested in this generator, take a look at those videos. Show you how to put it together and my experience with it. This generator has been a lifesaver to me. All right, we've been through several storms, several blackouts where I'm living, and this thing runs my whole entire house. All right, while the whole neighborhood is down, I'm able to plug this in and run my whole house without a hiccup, especially for the heating and air conditioning. This is ideal. Now, using this, I realized, especially when there's stormy weather and it's raining cats and dogs out there, or it's snowing beyond belief and the power's going down, you're able to keep this in an environment and operate it. But just like any piece of equipment, as long as it's out there, I believe it affects the performance of it. So I've been looking for option to protect it. I looked at putting like a tarp over it. I looked at putting a table over it, and all those options doesn't really make any sense or really work very well, because you're not able to see if I need to come out here and maintain it or put gas in it or anything. I'm not able to maintain it with a table over it. I have to move the table. It's defeating the purpose. It's still raining on it, it's snowing on it. So I've been looking for a canopy to cover this that works well with it, and it's not a hassle to put up or take down, and it won't blow away, etc. So I came across this item right here. All right, it's called a GenTent. I'm hoping this will fit the bill. By all accounts, looking at the website, looking at the design for this model. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open it up. I'm gonna do a little time lapse. I'm gonna put it together, and we're gonna take a closer look at it to see, is this ideal for this generator? And let's see how it works. All right, so let's do it. All right, guys, let's open this up and take a look exactly what's in the box. And what I'll do, guys, I'll put a link below on this particular project down in the description. Just to let you know, guys, I am an Amazon and a Home Depot affiliate. So if you guys click on that link, you decide to pick up this product, it does support the channel and it's greatly appreciated. Also, I will also put the direct link to the website directly also, if you choose to take that route. But overall, guys, thanks for joining me, and thanks for the support. So let's get into this. Let's open it up. They make it convenient. They got the pack and slip in here. And just to let you know, guys, I bought this way back. I bought this like the beginning of the year. I'm just getting to it now because it's been so busy along with this coronavirus, but I digress. All right, so we got the hardware pack, we got the canopy, and we got the mounting sticks, about 4 of them. So let's open this up, and here are all the pieces here. So have a strap, a lot of other pieces. They're all plastic. So I'm curious on, and this is rubber, so I'm curious on the durability of this, but we'll sure find out. So that's what you have. You got the cover, braces, directions, and all the doohickeys to help you get it together. So what we're gonna do, guys, again, I'm gonna set up a time lapse. I'm gonna read the direction, I'm gonna go through it, I'm gonna pause the time lapse if I find any issues that I need to bring to your attention. And yeah, let's get this set up And I'm excited to have a decent canopy for this generator. And that's it, guys. All right, boys and the toys, welcome back to the channel, and let's get into it. All right, guys, first thing I want to show you, we're gonna have to put these rubber pieces on this bracket here. And as you can see, if you can notice, see the word here, GenTent, right here, the tent. All right, make sure that's parallel to this part right here. And what I did one at a time on one side. Then all you have to do is just flip it over, take the other one, and just replicate it. All right, as you can see, there's a thin side and a thick side. All right, so that's important to make sure you got the right orientation on where this goes. And you're pretty much just gonna slip it right in. All right, that's simple. All right, so that's pretty much step one on getting this set up. So let's continue on. I just want to bring that to your attention. You're going to have 4 of them, as you can see, all in the same configuration. All right, so let's continue on with the video. Alright guys, as I'm installing this, they talk about vertical case slope, negative case slope, and positive case slope. And that all depends on your inverter. So I don't know what this is as far as negative, positive, vertical. I have no freaking clue what that means. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to set it up. I'm going to try to put it on and see, does it hold, pretty much, and see which one fits better. Is it the vertical, negative, or positive case slope, whatever that means, and that's it. And I'll let you know what I set up as far as your generator. Every generator is going to be different. Yeah, I'll just bring that to your attention, because it's kind of confusing for me what the hell they talking about as far as negative, positive, and vertical case slope. So I'm just going to put this in. If it doesn't work on this, the way I'm setting it up, I'll just change it and see if it works another way. Alright guys, I got it up on there. Now, I'm looking at my setup here for this. I brought my corner down here, so I think it's mostly, initially I was going to leave it as a negative and positive case slope, but I think I'm going to turn this around also. I think I'll get a better fit. If it's a, what is it called? Just checking my directions, guys, to see, give you a vertical case slope. The front is a vertical case slope. All right, so I'm gonna change this also, just to bring this garment a little closer to it, because I don't like how it's fitting on this corner. It's not really round. This is more rounded. So by turning it around, I think you'll have a better fit. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's a better fit. And what I'm doing, guys, I'm trying to keep the strap above the exhaust pipe, which I'll show a picture of it once I get it all set up. And again, every generator is going to be different as is the angle. I'm only doing it for this particular model, since this is the only one I own. Alright guys, I got it up. You're going to need at least 2 hands, in my opinion. And I hope that you guys can see what I'm showing you. Alright, I'm using, as far as the directions concerned, set up, they will call this a vertical case slope angle. All right, what it is that it's just a little smaller to bring the brackets closer to the finish there. That's what I'm doing. As you can see, I'm bringing it here, so it'll be at the edge, and I got my strap on the side here. All right, it's gonna cover your access point, so you can't access anything when this is on. All right, so but Of course, if you need to take it off, it's easy to take off and you'll be fine. So that's all set up now. Once I got it all strapped down, you found the guide pins. Now I'm gonna have to connect their extending arms. Alright guys, I want to show you a mistake I made in installing this. You see how I have this extended bracket in? Alright. Notice this one, and you notice this one. The hose have to point straight up. So this bracket, so your brace can go right into this piece right here. Alright. I had it the opposite way. I didn't realize when I was putting it in. So make sure before you put this in, the hose are sticking straight up like that. So I'm gonna have to fix this one. The other one, I think the other one, I got one out of 4 correct. So I just want to bring that to your attention when you're installing this. All right, I didn't notice what I was doing when I put this in. So learn from my mistakes. All right guys, as you can see, I got this set up here. I'm gonna come around here, let you see what I got, what I have set up here. Now, just to bring to your attention, they do give you another cover that when you peel this up, you see there's a Velcro here, allows you to get inside the unit if you have to. Pull that up, you could get inside, regas it, all right, and then come down, cover it up again. So that's a good look. They even give you an extra one to cover up the panels. And again, you peel this up, you see Velcro right there. So you're pretty much going to take this here and just line it up to your electrical panel. Again, just avoid water getting towards your electrical panel when it's bad weather. And that goes around there, and you just can pull that down so the water will just go away from your electrical panel, which is ideal. That's what we worry about when we come out here and deal with these type of things, to avoid from any electrical shock. Most of these things are well made and you probably never have an issue with it, but again, for the peace of mind, having this unit, having this canopy over this, it just gives me a peace of mind. All right, and that's it guys. I end up putting the extenders on. Again, you want to get the water, whatever it may be, away from the generator. So you just put it in, you adjust it accordingly how you want it to be set up. And that's pretty much it guys. I hope that makes sense to you. It's easy to put together, it's not that hard, all right. It took me a little while to understand what I'm dealing with, but overall it is a good unit, a good canopy. I probably can adjust this, bring it over a little more to cover everything. I'll do that later. But that's it guys, it's pretty much set up. Again, the most important when you first set these up, I believe the GenTent is facing me, all right, and I think they call that to give you the right terminology. I put the terminology in the video, how I set it up for me. A negative case slope. I end up setting up these little rubber bushings, all right. So it just makes it come a little closer because there's really no true corners on this type of generator. All right, so that's how I set mine up. I put the two, and make sure again these holes are facing upward, not down like I made a mistake. So you know, so you can have your rods adjusted any way that you want in your system. I'll run some more video to show you the total setup, but it looks good. I like it because, again, I don't have to worry about putting a table or some tarp over it and avoid and blocking up the exhaust, which is most important. And what I like about this, on this end, there's enough air to get in here and the exhaust come out, but at the same time not worrying about water or snow getting inside the generator in this part. So, and not worrying about if it is a windy day that this is going to be taken off, like dealing with a tarp or something like that. So again, guys, this is the GenTent for the Honda EU 7000 IS. Excellent generator. Definitely, if you have this here and you're putting it outside, you definitely need to get one of these. It's ideal. If I had the room, I just can leave this setup just as is. Eventually, when I get room in my shed, this coming out, I'm gonna leave it set up so I don't ever have to worry about taking it off. But now, being I'm keeping it in my mini garage, I'm gonna have to take it off. And it's not that hard to take off. You just pull these pieces, fold it up. I'm gonna keep the same box, and that's it. Once you get this all set up, I'll loosen it, and these comes right off. Matter of fact, I might just leave these on. So it's all dependent on my setup. But if you have the room, you can just leave this on year round and don't even have to worry about it, which is ideal setup. All right, if you have the room. So, all right, guys. Again, enough of me talking. I hope this was helpful. Again, this is GenTent. Highly recommend it. Looks like it's very durable. Nice thick vinyl to help keep my Honda generator working and out of the elements. You guys, see you later. Please like, subscribe, and I'll check you out on the next one. Later.